we are. Oh, hello everyone. Didn't realize that this was an open rehearsal, but that's great. It means that you guys get a sneak peek at the new show we're preparing for SeaWorld's 60th anniversary. My name is Nathan, and this is my best friend, Seymour. Okay, Seymour is a 12-year-old male California sea lion, and we are so excited to meet our new director. But I wonder if he's up there.
Yes, I'm up here, and I see that you and Seymour are on time and in your places. I like it.
We sure are, Mr. Director, sir. And I just want to say that I am so excited to be working with such an esteemed director
That's
who
great,
does
wonderful,
so much
amazing.
for conservation.
But where is your co-worker, Clyde?
Oh, Clyde? He was backstage just a minute ago.
Clyde!
Clyde!
Alrighty, Clyde, I think we're getting closer to the stage.
Clyde.
Oh yeah, this looks like it. Okay, this is such a great gig.
Katie, Clyde, you guys are late.
Late for what? Oh, rehearsal. You know, Clyde and I, we just wanted to get one more live stream and can't leave our fans hanging. Click like, comment, and subscribe.
Hashtag, you're still late.
Oh, yes, sorry, Mr. Director, sir. Nathan, why didn't you tell me he was up there?
All right, let's get started. Do you know why we're all here?
We are here to celebrate 60 years of world-class education, world-class conservation, and
World-class fun!
Okay, let's get started with scene one, sea lions. What are they? Who would like to take this one? This section is filled with information about sea lion adaptations. Facts, and more facts.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of facts and not a lot of fun. So why don't you and Seymour take this one?
That's not going to be a problem because, as mentioned, I have been preparing for this. And today, I have some amazing information I'd love to share with you about sea lions. Okay, but the real accolades go to sea lions like Seymour. Now, many people do get sea lions and seals confused, which is understandable, but there are some key differences. First of all is their size. How big are you, Seymour? You look to be about 6 feet long, okay? Which put you in the average range for a male sea lion. Now, sea lions can also walk on those large front flippers and even rotate their hind flippers, whereas seals, they move a little bit more like this. Okay, that was a great seal impression. Now, sea lions are also very social animals, and they have a wide variety of vocalizations. Did you know that they get their name from that world-famous roar? Way to show it to them. Now, sea lions are also packed full of muscle, which help them to catch their prey and evade predators like killer whales. And what was that other one? That's right. Sharks. Okay, that was amazing! Way to show them facts about sea lions! Okay.
And that is what we call too much sciencey sea lion stuff.
Katie, sciencey isn't even a word, right?
Well, it should be because it's fun. Hashtag sciencey.
All right, well, this stuff is very important to share with our audience, isn't it, Mr. Director, sir?
Yes, it is. Nicely done, Seymour. Clyde, do you think you two can handle the next section? Sea lions, where are they found?
Okay, what is it, Clyde? Okay, that's an excellent idea, Mr. Director. We got this. So, sea lions, where are they found? Where are they found? All right, you know what? We are going to stick with your idea. We're going to find us some sea lions. Let's go. place to check. Down there. Guess I don't see anything. Could you? Clyde, I still haven't seen anything, but I see one last place to look. Let's check it out. I don't see anything
Katie,
down there.
Clyde, what are you guys doing?
Well, we're looking for sea lions, and look, Clyde, we found one!
You guys are not taking this seriously. They should be taking this more seriously.
Well, it was a little unconventional, but fun.
That's because we're fun!
You clearly have your own style, but now I need you to work together to demonstrate the strength and agility of the California sea lion.
Well, I know that Seymour and I can. So to start things off, let's show them just how fast you are. Head on over to the starting line. Sea lions swim with those long front pectoral flippers, and they can reach speeds of up to 20 miles an hour. Okay, now they can also use those muscles to pick up their entire body up and into the air. Let's show off those amazing muscles. Okay, great job. Now, they can also use to propel themselves up and out of the water. So let's show them how high you can fly. Okay, everyone give it up for Seymour, perfectly demonstrating sea lion strength and agility. I would love to see Katie and Clyde beat that.
Live stream that, but you know what? That's not how we do it. So, Clyde, it is time to show everyone your world famous sea lion jump. Okay. Clyde, everyone's watching. What is it? Okay, that makes total sense.
Katie, what did he say?
Well, obviously he said. I don't know what he said. He's a sea lion. Well, you know what? We're just gonna skip to the fast swim portion. So, Clyde, show them your speed. That's right, with style. Cheer on, everyone.
Wow, that segment actually worked. But I'm not 100% sure why. I think we need a break so I can figure it out. Take 5, everyone. I could use a soda. Found a way for you two to work together. But this next scene will be the real test. It's the conservation scene. Seymour, you're up first. Make an impact.
Perfect, because this is my favorite part of the entire presentation. You know, children really are our future, and conservation requires that we inspire the next generation to take care of our planet and the animals that share it with us. Now, children really are, sea lions really are special, because they inhabit both land and sea, and I believe we have a very special guest who's going to be helping us with this next part of the presentation. Is that you? Very nice. All right, now, you want to meet Seymour? Perfect. So, we're going to first of all help him with his dance moves. So he's going to head on over there, and the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to bounce up and down like a bunny rabbit. Go ahead. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Okay, very nice. Now you can go ahead and spin in a circle. Yep, keep going. Oh, there you go, you got it. Okay, very nice. Now he's gonna come on down here, and what I want you to do is point at him and draw a circle. Yep, draw a big circle. There you go. Okay, there we go. There's his impression of a sea lion in a washing machine. Now, you think you can toss him a fish right there? Take one step back, go ahead and toss it straight to him. Very nice. Now there's a juicy squid, and another capelin. Very nice. There's another fish. Yep, and one more. Perfect. All right, so now he's gonna come up onto the glass, okay? And you can go ahead and put your right hand right there for a photo. All right, everyone say sardines. Sardines. Okay, everyone give it up for future conservation day. Yeah! All right. I would love to see Katie and Clyde beat that.
Inspirational, motivational, conservational moment. We're gonna need someone a little older, taller, good looking, smart. Hi, I guess you'll do. What's your name? It's so nice to meet you. You know, conservation means working together to ensure their survival, animals like Clyde and Seymour, by protecting and respecting their wild spaces. So let's have you work together with Clyde right now. You're gonna put both hands over your head, and you're gonna start like this. There you go. You're gonna start spinning around in a circle, and we're gonna see what Clyde does. Just keep going. That's not a cue for Clyde. I just wanted to see if you would do that. Good sport though. Alright, but you saw how our future conservationist fed Seymour a fish and he caught it. Would you like to try? Excellent. All you have to do is open your mouth really wide. Ow. What would you have done if I'd thrown it? Alright, you know what kind of fish this is? It's a dead one. Yeah. Thank you. All right, well, you have been such an amazing volunteer. We're gonna get you a photo. So my friend Dylan's gonna set you up. So everyone, you're all gonna help me out on the count of 3. You're gonna say waterproof. 1, 2, 3. Let's give it up for our amazing volunteer. That was amazing. Wait, are you laughing? Are you actually having fun?
Well, how could I not be? Did you hear yourself? Look at those powerful pictorial flippers in action. You were trying to share sciencey stuff with our audience.
Wait, I thought you said sciencey wasn't even a word. Here.
Okay, well, it should be, because it's fun.
Hashtag
sciencey!
Finally, you have discovered what has made SeaWorld so special for the last 60 years.
We have?
Interesting facts about sea lions, and you had fun doing it.
And we talked about how we can take care of our coastlines for future generations.
And we showed how we form special relationships with the animals in our care.
But there is one very important thing we haven't done.
What's that?
The finale. Every sea lion presentation ends with a big, splashy finale.
Everybody had a blast. Now it's time to make a wave. In the water playing, fascinating life. Now we're celebrating. Here we go. We'll take a ride, flow with the tide.
Everyone keep your applause going for Katie and her best friend, Clyde. Thank you so much for joining us for Flippers, Facts, and Fun. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Your sea lion experience doesn't have to end here. Visit Sea Lion Point, located directly behind Sea Lion and Otter Amphitheater. Tell them Clyde and SeaWorld sent you.